Welcome! Today, we are going to answer one of the truly great philosophical questions of our time.
Why do onions make me cry?
No, not that one.
What is the meaning of life?
Yeah, I don't think we have time to get into that either. How do astronauts go to the toilet? Bingo, that's the one. So what do you say? Are you ready to break down how a bathroom break on the International Space Station goes down? It's time for Owlconnected's General Knowledge. To be sure, taking care of business in microgravity is no easy task. In fact, it sucks. You know this sound? Yeah, there's none of that in space. Instead, what you will hear is this. In many ways, though, the idea is the same. In modern plumbing, water is simply the vehicle that carries our waste away down pipes to be treated. In space, that function is served by air. A vacuum is what carries the waste away. This is what the ISS toilet looks like. We're going to start by talking about the helpfully yellow-colored tube that's hanging on the right. You guessed it, it's for going pee. The tube has a simple on-off knob near the yellow funnel that controls the vacuum. Astronauts simply remove the cap, turn on the vacuum, and place the funnel where it's needed. The vacuum sucks the pee away in a flash. Amazingly, the urine is then processed and recycled within the space station until 8 days later it becomes drinking water. That device that you see in the center of the photo, it may look like a toilet that you recognize, but it's quite different in practice. Yes, it has a lid, and lift that lid up, you'll find a hole for, But this toilet doesn't need a wide seat. In microgravity, you're not actually sitting upon it, just hovering over it. The silver drum that you see underneath the toilet is the solid waste container. Before going, a special plastic bag is placed inside the opening. Then a vacuum is turned on to help draw your waste in through the opening and into the bag. All done, the bag is sealed and pushed down into the container. And because astronauts are a courteous lot, a new bag is placed into the container before you leave. And what if a rogue piece of refuse happens to escape the vacuum? Well, it happens to be the astronaut's job to chase that thing down and put it in its proper place. Of course, we wouldn't dream of making you do such a thing, but if you want to make sure to catch our next video, say, be sure to follow us. That way, you'll never miss another episode of Owlconnected's General Knowledge.